Do this to make women fall in love with you. Hey guys, today we will delve into the art of making a woman fall in love with you. I will share some valuable insights on how to make a woman fall in love with you and build a meaningful relationship with her. It's common for men to be drawn to a woman's physical appearance. We often fixate on their beauty, their attractiveness, and their overall appearance. But what if I told you that women look for something entirely different in a relationship with men, something that most men overlook? You gotta understand, guys, that men fall in love through their eyes, but women fall out of love through their ears. While your appearance and scent are essential, but what you say matters even more. For that reason, when it comes to making a woman fall in love, the first step is to engage her through effective communication. Therefore, it's crucial to develop your mouthpiece, the ability to be charming, smooth, and say the right things. Make sure your words resonate with her on a deeper level. Women fall in love with a man's personality, the distinctive traits and characteristics that make him who he is. When women are on a date with you, they're actually listening to the words you're saying and the conversations that you're having. She's not just sitting there thinking, how can we get to the bedroom as quickly as possible like a lot of guys think? You have to know this. This revelation may come as a surprise, especially to those who believe that physical attraction is the primary factor for women. However, women place a high value on a man's charisma, confidence, and his ability to connect with them on a deeper emotional level. Men don't understand how powerful their personality is. For example, if you are walking on the street and you come across a woman that you like, and if you get that opportunity where you say the right words that fit who you are and her perception of you, and it makes her feel something. So to make a woman fall in love with you, the first step is to learn how to say the right thing. Then you have to leave an imprint. This involves a delicate balance of rewarding good behavior and holding her accountable for bad behavior. If she does something that upsets you, don't hesitate to address it. Swiftly respond by giving her space and not responding to her messages. Let her wonder about your actions, igniting competition anxiety. In this way, she's gonna respect you more because respect is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. If you want a woman to fall in love with you, you must earn her respect. This starts with how you treat her in your interactions. Show her that you value your time and presence. Mutual respect is a foundation for any lasting connection. That's why you need to sleep with her as quickly as possible. Once she sleeps with you, that's when she's going to start to become more emotionally invested, and the girl will start to understand that she deals with the guy that she sleeps with. Building a deeper emotional connection with a woman often begins after intimacy. To shift the power dynamic in your favor, aim to establish physical intimacy sooner rather than later. This approach ensures that you have the upper hand in the relationship. However, remember that consent and mutual comfort are of utmost importance, and there should be no manipulation involved. And remember that if she does some bad behavior, you have to punish her by leaving her messages unseen. And let her wonder, who is he talking to? Never reward bad behavior with good treatment. That's why I told you before, if you want her to fall in love with you, you must make her respect you in the relationship. So it's crucial to maintain the balance of power. Reward her good behavior with attention and affection, but be quick to address and distance yourself from her if she exhibits bad behavior. Women appreciate attention, so by withdrawing it when she misbehaves, you let her know that such actions won't be tolerated. Remember that making a woman fall in love with you involves a combination of effective communication, respect, and an understanding of human psychology. Keep in mind that every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Building meaningful connections takes time, effort, and empathy. It's important to prioritize consent, mutual respect, and ethical behavior in all your relationships. By the way, if you find value in this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.